Alright guys, this is what I started working on at the beginning of the day, and then they said they didn't know if they want this panel sticking out of the wall, so they told me to hold off, and then now I guess they're going to fur the wall out so it's flush, so I can continue working on that tomorrow. It's a 2-inch EMT run that's going through the ceiling, taking a left and going through the block wall upstairs over there. And then after I stopped on the EMT run, I started piping these low voltage sleeves to get to the top of the top plate. So that's just for the low voltage boxes. There's about one in each room. One there, another one on the other side of the wall. So we just went around doing that. So I was cutting the pipes. This one has more blocking, so I had to cut the pipe in half. Had to cut the pipe a couple times to get it up through the wall. Have to come back and strap it. We didn't have the straps, but working on that most of the day. And then so like I said, I'm working on this most of the day. This is basically where we finished out. So have a few more rooms over there to do. There's one there. I think there's like 4 or 5 more to go, but anyways, then we just swept up the rest of the day. Get all the sawdust, not the sawdust, but all the wood shavings. So we're gonna start wiring this tomorrow. As you can see, there's all the holes through the trusses right here. We're gonna do this in MC. So we swept up all the wood shavings for the last half hour of the day. And then we're leaving early because there's nothing really much else to do. I think the other guys started earlier, but I'm getting off early as well. I worked a little extra yesterday, even though I didn't realize it. So anyways, I will be back here tomorrow, and I'll get some wire rolling, and I think that's gonna wrap it up for today, guys. Alright guys, thanks for stopping by, appreciate it. It is 92 degrees outside, so it's definitely an air conditioning kind of day. I'm probably gonna go home and do nothing. Thanks for stopping by and watching the video, appreciate it. Thanks for all your continued support. Thanks for all the likes yesterday and the views. It seems like you guys really killed it yesterday, so thank you, appreciate it. If you wouldn't mind hitting that like button again and subscribe, I would appreciate it. I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace out, guys. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. See ya.